Hello crew, how you guys doing? So I just got back from school and I had a freaking math test today and it sucked. You can relate, right kitty? Right? You can relate. Right? You don't gotta do nothing, you're just a kitty. Anyways, I'm making a smoothie right now. Strawberry banana. My favorite. I'll just show you guys what I put in this thing. You can't really see me. Sorry about that. I put bananas, yogurt, Greek yogurt, soy milk, kale, and yeah, bananas and strawberries. Anyways, I just felt like I should continue vlogging. I don't know. Yeah, today was, I freaking hate school. Like everyone, right? But I had a math test today, and I don't know about you guys, but I freaking hate it when there's a math test and the stuff that's on the test is like, it's kind of similar to what you learned, but it's not. It's like, I don't know. You Oregonians are so lucky that you get to use calculators. Here, they don't allow calculators. Like, you can use calculators at home, obviously, when you're working on homework, but that's just about it. On tests, nope. You have to use your brain, and literally, I've forgotten how to like divide, like not on a calculator, just like write it out and like divide two numbers, and how to like subtract, how you have to like times the denominator and times the numerator by the same thing and all that stuff. I've forgotten all of that since like years ago, because I'm so used to just punching in a calculator since like freshman year in Algebra 1. Also, I'm retaking Algebra 2 this year, which really sucks. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but yeah. So I'm like doing the same stuff over again, but it's just like slightly different. They learn it in a different way because it's freaking California, not Oregon. It really sucks, but I'm surviving. I'll get through. Barely. So supposedly, you only need to pass geometry here to graduate, and in Oregon you had to pass Algebra 2. So that's slightly different. But I still think if I fail Algebra 2, I don't graduate. They don't allow you to fail classes. So I want to get better than a C. Last year I had a freaking C, and I was kind of embarrassed. Kat, why are you coming in again? So weird. She did this morning too, or yesterday. Look at our wonderful pool. It's so pretty. I scrub it every day. Yeah. What else is new? We freaking ripped out a bush over there. You probably can't see that. Maybe you can see that fern bush looking thing, and then there's another bush right behind it that we totally ripped out. Well, my dad did. I helped him. What else? Oh yeah, that ginger thing. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it, but you guys, I did this ginger challenge, and I watched a guy on YouTube. Like, there used to be one more of these chunks of ginger. It's raw ginger, for those of you who don't know. Raw ginger. So, like, you have, like, powdered ginger or whatever. This is raw. This is, like, completely raw. It's like a root or something. And, yeah. I took one bite, and, like, literally my mouth was, like, on fire. It's so strong. It's like an onion, but it's, like, it's hard to describe. It's so hot. And I was just like sitting there, like, luckily I brought a bucket because I was just like spitting. I like almost immediately threw it up. I didn't throw it up, but I threw it up into the bucket. Freaking cat, you're like retarded or something. Oh my goodness. I can't decide where I want to go. Decide already. Anyways, yeah. So and I was sick. Kind of jumping gears here. I was sick. A couple weeks ago, so I actually have another math test to redo, and I have to go in tomorrow morning. to do that. I really don't. It's Friday. It's like, come on. My freaking. I hope. Most likely my math teacher won't watch this, so we're all good. But if you are watching math teacher, freaking. It's not his fault. None of it's his fault. It's all my fault, you know. I don't stay. I mean, I stay caught up, but it's like. It's hard to stay caught up on homework when your teacher doesn't explain things completely. And I'm sure, you know, if you're in my math class and you're watching this, you completely understand that, you know, Mr. Duncan, you don't really explain things completely and kind of gets confusing. And then, like, suddenly today, right before our test, he's like, oh, I want to go over a few problems with you guys. When I'm like, come on, dude, we need the time to go over the test. We need the time to work on the test, not go over problems that we should have studied. He goes over this problem, and like, this girl next to me, she's like, we never learned that, did we? And then I'm like, no, I don't think we did. Like, we kind of went over it like last class period, but he never really like taught it to us. And that's what it feels like. It's like, you know, what he teaches us, what's in the homework, and what's in the reviews and the study guides and the tests, it's like all different. Everything is different. Like, obviously there's going to be different problems, but it's like, oh my gosh. I guess it's like necessary to take 2 years of algebra, otherwise you just don't even know what the heck you're doing. But anyways, I'm going to get back to my smoothie. You guys have a super wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow maybe. I'm going to see a movie. I'm not going to tell you what it is though. Anyways, you guys are awesome. Stay fresh. Goodbye. Peace. Peace, guys. See you later. Go. Bye-bye.